In 1574, a peculiar event unfolded in the court of King Henry III of France. During a grand feast, the king himself was struck by an uncontrollable bout of hiccups. The court physician, baffled, attributed it to the king's diaphragm contracting unexpectedly. This odd occurrence led to a curious investigation into the human body, sparking early medical studies. Could such a trivial hiccup influence the course of medical history? Indeed, it did. The king's hiccups prompted the first recorded exploration of respiratory functions, paving the way for modern medicine. Who knew a simple hiccup could echo through history?